Oh, welcome ladies and gents. What's the story for today? Today, me and Eva, we get into some shop because I want to get myself a graphic card for my PC. Though, it wasn't succeed so well because I ended up buying something else instead of graphic card, or I should say all except graphic card, because I didn't get the graphic card at the end. But I get something. Come closer. So first of all, I get like 850 watts power supply. Awesome stuff. As well, I get Aorus X570. Awesome. And to this, I get as well Ryzen 9. 12 core 24 thread processor, 4.6 GHz, can be boosted up to 3.8.
Imposter.
No, wait. Max boost 4.6. Anyway, socket AM4, and to it we got 256 GB AM2 drive for system. We got almost terabyte SSD for data. For begin, we got 2 bricks with 8 gigs memory. So that's gonna be 16 gigs of memory and 2 extra empty slots. So 2 more we can drop. As well, yeah, of course, cooling paste. And for the cooling that CPU, we're gonna use IO. What that is? Liquefusion. all-in-one liquid CPU cooler. And I will not get all those stuff if not those thingy. Look from the side. That is awesome. Can you see that beast? Yeah, I love it. Actually, we both love it. As far we find it in the shops, then we grab all the other components as well. Anyway, let's open it up and see it in real. So we can pause the video or just set up camera somewhere.
Yeah.
Just push the... Dum. So what do you think, peeps? Isn't that awesome? Okay, come closer and look and show it from around.
It's not so easy.
I know there's not enough space here, but yeah. There we go, ladies and gents, that's an awesome cover. And yeah, we're gonna build a great machine out of that and all those components up there. Yeah, but as well, we need to find out some graphic card for this beast.
Wait for it.
But yeah, that's gonna be cool anyway. So, ladies and gents, I hope you like it. Hope you enjoyed the video, and see you all maybe at the building stage. So, bye for now.